Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll solve test number 2 from المعاصر book, November tests. It's test number 2. I solved test number 1 from last video. Now I will explain test number 2. So you must pay attention about steps, okay? Number 1, choose the correct answer from those given. Number 1, x power 2 subtract x plus x subtract ep. Equal what? We have here 4 terms. So you must divide this expression or 3 terms and 1 or 2 and 2. In this expression we have x power 2 subtract ax plus bx subtract ab. We can factorize this term here, write x hat cofactor between together, x power 2 divide x equal x, ax divide x equal a. And here write b height cofactor between two terms, bx divide b equal x, ab divided b equal b. Okay, ab divided by b equal a. And then we have x minus a was repeating, right? X minus a height cofactor between two expressions. This expression divide x minus a equal x, and this expression divide x minus a equal b. Then the answer will be x minus a product by x plus b. Choose letter B. Okay, understood. Next question, number 2. X power 2 subtract y power 2 equal negative 16. X power 2 minus y power 2 equal negative 16, and he give us x minus y is negative 2. Then x plus y equal what? We can factorize this expression. We have x power 2 minus power 2 equal x minus y product by x plus y, and x power 2 minus y power 2 equal negative 16. X minus y equal negative 2 product by what? Here x plus y, it will be negative 2 times what? Equal negative 16. It will be product by 8. Then x plus y equal 8 because negative 2 product by 8 equal negative 16. Understood? Then the answer will be letter C. Choose letter C. Next question, number 3. The figure here, look at here, he wants to find the value of x. Okay, we have two triangles. We can prove triangles here are congruent. Measure of angle E, listen to me here, okay? At measure of angle E equal to measure of angle A, and measure of angle D equal angle of B, measure C equal measure of angle C. Then we have two angles side join between them. So we have the first triangle angle side angle, and here also we have two angles and side included between them, also angle side angle. Second condition or third condition? Third condition about congruent. Angle side angle, the line segment E equivalent to the line segment EB, measure of angle D equal measure of angle B, measure of angle E equal measure of angle E. And triangles here will be congruent. The line segment CD will be equal the line segment BC because two triangles here are congruent. Then 25 equal to 5x, and the value of x will be 25 divided by 5 is 5. The answer will be 5. This is the value of x will be 5. Choose letter A. Okay, next question. The given figure here, he want to find the length of. Okay, we have triangle and the line segment D parallel to the base DE parallel to base CB. Okay, and also drawing from the midpoint of AC. D is the midpoint between AC. DE parallel to BC, and D is the midpoint of AC. Then DE equal half of BC. It's rule, okay? Then the line segment DE half of BC. He give us in the example EP. Look at here. EP was 10 centimeter. EP was 10 centimeter. This line segment will be 10 also 10 centimeter, and D is the midpoint of AC. Then E also is the midpoint of AB. Okay, midpoint of AB. Okay, then AB, it will be twice of AB. It will be 20 centimeter. Then EB equal 20 centimeter, okay, because the line segment E was 10, then EE also 10. Side ligament here it will be 20 centimeter. Answer will be letter A. Next question. Which of the following numbers could be lengths of sides obtuse angle triangle? Okay, obtuse angle triangle, what's the meaning? It's the meaning that greater sides power 2 greater than first side power 2 and third side power 2. Then we can write about question number A, right? 24 power 2 plus 10 power 2 and 27 power 2 combining between together. 24 power 2 plus 10 power 2 equals 676, and 27 power 2 equals 729. This number is greater than, this triangle will be obtuse angle triangle, because the greater number power 2 greater than 24 power 2 and 10 power 2. Okay, again 24 power 2 plus 100 equal 676, and this number 27 power 2 equals 709. Then you must choose letter A. Okay, next question number 6. In the given figure, what is the value of x? Okay. We have triangle and mid segment here. We have DE is the mid segment. This mid segment will be parallel to the base, and the length of this mid segment half of the opposite side. Then AD will be half of BC. Okay, then he gives us in the example DE was x, then x equal half of 8, it will be 4 centimeter. Then the length here will be 4 centimeter. Okay, next question number 2. In this triangle, prove that two triangles are congruent. Okay, we will draw here to understood. Listen to me, steps. Going to prove two triangles are congruent. Okay, listen to me about steps. First step, we will draw the triangle at the base here, and you also in the exam you must draw triangle to understood. Okay, behind the solution is parallel to the side lengths, and we have this side length was parallel to this side, is I parallel, and here B, D, A, and C. Okay, they are parallel, and DB cut of them transversal. Then this angle will be equal this angle. Okay, they are equivalent. We have alternating angles, and DB is, we called it what? DB is common side between two triangles. It's a common side, and this angle will be equal this angle also, or not. We have parallel about two sides. He give me line segment. Okay, he give me two side ligament are equal like this. He give me this side ligament equal this side. Okay, finished. We have side and angle and side. Then we have side, angle, and side. This side, okay, right here, side, angle, and side. This side and this angle, we prove this angle equal this angle. ADB equal measure of angle DBC, alternating angles, and this side length we called it common side between two triangles. Then side angle side, second condition about congruent. Then two triangles will be congruent because we have side angle side, or two side and included angle between them. Then proof. To write the steps here in this example, you must first the proof such that, look at here, such that AD was parallel to BC and DB is transversal of them. Then measure of angle ADB is equal to measure of angle, we have ADB equal measure of angle CBD, alternating angles. we called it alternating angle. This angle equal this angle, alternating angle. Okay, and such that AD, he give me AD equal line segment AD equal CB, and BD is a common side between them, is common side. Then two triangle will be congruent. Then triangle ABD will be congruent to C. We have ABD, then CDB, because angle B equal angle D here. We can write ABD equal CDB. This triangle congruent the other triangle. Its second condition, side angle side. Next question. As each of the following completely. Number 1, we have m power 3 plus n power 3 subtract m subtract by n. We can factorize n power 3 plus n power 3, write small brackets and greater brackets. About two terms here, I will factorize the addition between two cubed here. Cubic root of the first and the cubic root of the third, and raise the sign. And then n power 2, it will be n power 2. n power 2, it will be n power 2. And the middle term, it will be positive all the time, okay? The positive all the time. And the middle, first times second, and sign will be negative. Change the sign, negative mn. And this term is here, I will write negative height factor between two terms, negative 1. Negative m divided negative equal m. Negative n divided negative equal positive n. And now we have m plus n was repeated. Write m plus n height factor between two expressions, first and second. First expression divided m plus n, the remainder will be this expression, m power 2 minus mn plus n power 2. Okay, and this expression divide itself, it will be 1 and the sign will be negative, and the result will be m plus n reduced by m power 2 minus mn plus n power 2 minus 1. It's the last step. Okay, next question. Number 2, x power 4 minus 11 x power 2 plus 1. We can factorize this expression. How is this? We have 1 times 1 equal 1, but addition between them, this number, no, we can find it. So we must factorize expression x power 4 plus 1. Repeat it, x plus 4 plus 1. Right here, x plus 4 plus 1 in first, and then write negative 11 x power 2. We must convert from addition between two squared to difference. You must convert this from positive to negative. How? By add positive or negative square root of the first product by square root of the third here. To find the middle between them, we must add positive or negative x power 2 times 1. Then between them we will write like this. We have x power 4 plus 1, and here negative 11 x power 2 expression, but I will put here positive or negative, okay, and here the number x power 2. What about the number if we put here, we have positive or negative 2 product by 2x power 2, again positive or negative 2 times, look at here, positive or negative 2 x power 2, because square root of x power 4 x power 2, x power 2 of 1, it will be 1 times x power 2 equal to. Then we have here positive or negative. If we put here positive, it will be 9. 2 plus negative 11, it will be negative 9. Then we must write here positive and here negative. Positive 2 x power 2, and here negative 2x power 2, and here positive 2x power 2. Then we have three terms here, perfect square, and two expression we can simplest. Then we have x power 4 subtract by x power 2 plus 1. and 2x power 2 minus 11x power 2, it will be negative 9x power 2. This perfect square, this expression perfect square, okay, you can factorize it by right brackets, square root of the first, square root of the third, and the sign of the middle, and right power 2. And 9x power 2, it will be 3x whole power 2. You can factorize between the difference between two squared, x power 2 minus 1 and x power 2 minus 1. Repeated expression here, write negative and positive, 3x and 3x. Understood? This is factorizing about this example. It's the last step. You must know steps, okay, to find the answer. You can repeat it, this expression, x power 2 minus 3x minus 1, and here also x power 2 plus 3x minus 1. Okay, it's important questions. You must know steps to factorize expression. Next question, number 3. Number 3, x power 2 subtract by 4 over 81. You can write brackets like this, x power 2 equal x times x, write negative and positive, square root of the first 2 over 9, and here 2 over 9. Right, negative and positive, okay? It's last question about this exam.